Okay, Winterwolf, this is for you. I'm sorry I didn't get to this sooner. This is where I'm going to talk about how to make, general idea of how to make the body of a cat or a dog. Okay, so I've got a default sphere. I'm squashing it down. Let's take it over here. And let's get ready to hit that Control D and do the wave do. Okay, so Control D. Boom. Move it over. Now I'm controlling it this way now. Now I'm going to rotate it a little. Let's see. Let's go this way 3 degrees. There we go. So I rotated it 3 degrees, and that's basically giving me the sweep from the neck down. Okay, I'm going to move this a little bit from the neck down, what I want of my dog body. Okay. So from here, let's group this. Okay, we're grouping that. Then we're going to do this. We're going to duplicate it. We're going to duplicate it, and we're going to rotate it in like this. So that's basically giving us the shoulder area, the middle of the back, then sloping down towards the gluteals. And again, we want to make the taper from the thickness of the shoulders and the chest, and it tapers down through the stomach to the back. Now let's group this. Now let's stand it up. Let's inflate it. A little bit of a separation there, but it doesn't matter too much. We could here. Let's see. Let's try to get it a little bit closer together so we don't have that seam right there. It's just going to take a little bit of rotating and adjusting there. Okay, we'll have to live with that for now. That can be masked off, completely walled off with a template, get it smooth. But we don't have to worry about smooth right now. In fact, we have to worry about texture. We want at some point to maybe give a hint of fur. Okay, so at this point, check this out. We duplicated it and rotated it to give a sweep of thickness from the front to the back. We're going to do the same thing, but now we have to do it this way because there's also a taper from that direction. So we duplicate there, and then we do that. And that actually gives us the separation line in our mind of how we want, say, where the chest is and the shoulders. Okay? So that'll work on a dog. A cat, maybe not worried. You're not too worried about the chest. Usually a dog has a pretty good, depending, like a strong breed of dog always has the separation of the shoulder and chest. They bulge out. Cat, not so much unless it's a tiger or a lion. Anyway, and that gives us also a line for the spine line from the shoulders all the way down to the back. Okay. So, and somebody could say, well, wait a minute, Crash. It doesn't really go that skinny on a dog. Well, what happens is when we make the leg part, we're going to use the same technique to make a leg, okay? But then when we join the back of the leg to this part, it's going to make that line between the hip and the leg, and that's going to make it bulge out and look more natural, okay? So that will have to do for now. Get on that and show me some pictures of how it turns out for you. Okay, pal? Okay. Peace out. Till the next time.